In this video, I'll walk you through on how to import your MetaMask wallet. If this kind of video you are looking forward to, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Stick to the end of this video to understand this process. Once you open your MetaMask wallet, you want to press get started. Right here, you need to use import using secret phrase. Once you press this, you have option right here. You can say no thanks and press accept and swipe up and press accept. So now remember, when you were creating your wallet, you were giving secret phrase to recover your wallet. So now right now you want to input the same secret phrase. So now I'll import this right now. I'll press show. Note, don't show anybody your secret phrase. I'm just using this account for educational purpose. I'm not using this account for personal use. So you have to input all this information like this. So you need to be careful not to miss any words. This number is 12. Press words, and after you successfully correctly input these words correctly, you'll be able to see your wallet or access to your wallet again. And right here, you want to create a simple password or the password you can remember. That's very important. For this purpose of the video, I'm going to use simple password. So this is not my password, but I'm just showing you guys this step. To do this, you can use your desired password. If you want to use Face ID, you can use Face ID. I'm going to just cancel this. So now press import. You see your wallet is ready. So press OK and press no thanks. Now you have your old wallet. If you have money in your account, you'll find all the information. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to interact with you guys. Check this video right here to learn more about double win on Bybit.